there's your problem right there. Gotta love it when you go to leave for lunch, pull up to the stop sign, take off, and your cooling fan explodes. Does pepper really work in a radiator? Made those gouges. Yep, not so far. But she's actually starting to slow down. And I'm just trying to slow it down enough to start this up and warm it up to dump the actual stop leak in. So it is slowing down. We have pepper in the reservoir. It is slowing down, possibly enough to be able to start the engine up and get it hot. Okay, again, sorry for the noise. Engine is now running temperature. I just put the stop leak in. It's already starting to slow down. And again, this is definitely not a permanent fix. I just need to be able to get her home. All right, I've got even more noise because I have the heater on since we're not running the fan right at the moment. It wasn't getting too warm, but I also don't want it to get too warm. So as you can see, we barely have a drip maybe in the middle there, coming off of that side. We still have a drip, I don't know if you can see it, right down off of this tank that's coming up right in here, but they're all starting to slow down. So you really can stop a leak like that if you go in and crimp the tubes. So this will get us home, and then I can swap the radiator out. Okay guys, I stopped a couple of times on the way home and checked, and I didn't see any leaks on the second time I stopped. The first time I stopped was just about a mile down the road, and the radiator cap was on, so we were actually building pressure. The engine was up to temperature, and I didn't see any leaks. The second time, or I did see a tiny leak, sorry. The second time I stopped was, let's see, about 7 miles down the road total, and didn't see any leaks. As soon as I got home, I parked this cardboard under there, and that's what we've had in about 40 minutes. So that's not bad for how bad that radiator was. I mean, it was putting out ribbons of water a ½ inch wide before I started crimping on the tubes and everything. So if you have pepper, and I really think if we'd had some of the cracked red pepper along with the black pepper, it would have sealed a little better initially before I even put the epoxy sealer in. But if you need to get somewhere, you can do it if you have to. And like I said, I stopped several times. I had about 3 gallons of antifreeze with me, so I was keeping an eye on it, but you can do it if you have to. Thanks for watching, guys.